Look at this. Otis Concave fixtures. Look at this.
Toowoomba City Library, these used to be Nidecs.
Yeah, but somehow the lifts were not working anymore, so yeah.
Well, I mean, they were both working, they were just like horribly inefficient.
Yeah, here it is, yeah. What?
If you've watched any of my videos at all, then you may or may not recognise that.
Is 3R open?
Yeah, all of them are. And that chime on level 1, or all of the up chimes, they're all Mitsubishi chimes, even though they're not intentional, they just happen to be.
Installed 2025, it's Regen, we'll do a cab view. Maximum load 1350 kilos, 18 persons.
Go look at him.
Okay.
Come out.
Yeah.
So, for whatever reason, I kept the original cabinet.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not that surprising.
Now we'll go back down. You get button this time.
That's
Yeah.
ordinary Regen.
Do you want to push 2R or 1?
Give me a minute.
Okay.
If you were here like 3 hours ago, you would have got shaft lights, but they're off now.
Yeah.
They're probably on lunch actually now that
Yeah.
So this has an interesting trick if we don't stop on the way.
Yeah.
We can cancel 1,
Yeah.
and it doesn't open the doors, it just goes straight back up.
Yeah. Some lifts don't do that. Like. Yes.
Just get unlimited rides.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a very cool feature.
See, I don't think it's a feature. I think it. Oh no, might be.
Yeah.
Anyways, I don't know how good your phone's microphone is. Mine certainly isn't, but
Yeah.
the motor has been replaced.
Sorry.
It's been replaced to a standard
Yeah.
Nidec one.
Yeah.
Not Nidec, how about Gen 2?
Okay. There's the other lift. It's currently being replaced at the moment. Yeah, it's definitely going to be an Otis, just like the other one. And like, is that the?
Let me see. That's from the Nidec.
Yeah, it's the Nidec. Anyway, that's it.